So, you want to make big money being a 3D artist? Well, you're in luck because I am a 3D artist and I think I did pretty okay the last couple of years. So, we're not going to talk about the most obvious things like posting a gig on Fiverr or Upwork. No. We are going to talk about some cool stuff like making highly produced anime porn. Okay, I'm kidding. Although you can actually make a lot of money making anime porn, I think. So the first big money making idea as a 3D artist is making medical visualizations. The medical industry needs 3D artists for so many reasons, like to train and educate medical students, learn new procedures and techniques in a safe way, and we can create detailed anatomically accurate models and animations that help them better understand and diagnose conditions, and to create product demonstrations that help medical device manufacturers to demonstrate the benefits and features of their products. Another way could be to educate patients about surgeries and things like that. So the medical industry needs 3D artists because their skills and expertise play a huge role in improving patient care. Money making idea number 2 is virtual and augmented reality. As virtual and augmented reality becomes more prevalent in various industries such as gaming, entertainment, education, real estate, and other industries, there will be a growing demand for 3D artists to create VR and AR content. Also, products like the new Oculus headset, the whole metaverse, and Meta invest in billions. This means there's a lot of opportunities for 3D artists to get a piece of that pie. Even Apple is investing heavily on AR right now. Money making idea number 3 is NFTs. Although the crypto and NFT market is down right now, there's a high chance of it returning back. So you should be well prepared to capitalize on that opportunity. I myself did some NFT projects for my clients and it was awesome. As the internet's biggest hustle daddy Gary Vee says, the NFT technology will keep evolving. So if you have a unique art style combined with a great utility, you'll be able to do really well in the crypto non-fungible ape world. Idea number 4, creating animation videos for music artists. Creating animation for music artists and for events is a great way to make a lot of money as 3D artists. Some of the very famous YouTubers like Ducky3D has spoken a lot about working with musicians and making animated videos for DJs to play in festivals, which is really cool. Network with music artists, music industry professionals to find new clients and build relationships. Attend events, join online communities, and build a strong online presence through social media channels and build a strong portfolio. That'll help you a lot to find new clients, and of course, if you do a great job, they will recommend you for other clients. And when you see your work playing on a huge stage with hundreds and thousands of people reacting to it, that can be super cool for you. 3D modeling services for automotive design. 3D modeling is playing a critical role in the design and development of new vehicles. With the rise of electronic and autonomous vehicles, 3D artists will likely be in high demand to help create innovative design for these new types of vehicles. Additionally, 3D visualization technologies are becoming increasingly important for the marketing and sales of these vehicles, providing consumers with immersive experiences and allowing them to virtually explore new vehicles before making a purchase. The demand for 3D artists in the automotive industry is expected to grow really high in the future. And also, I heard Mr. Muskie Boy himself added a matte black option for the new Cybertruck after seeing so many black Cybertruck renders online. So 3D artists can actually make a lot of impact and a lot of money in this industry. I'm actually planning to make a lot more videos like this in the future, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you switch on that bell notification button as well. So the 6th money making idea is 3D visualization services for architects and product designers. As technology advances, technologies like 3D printing become increasingly capable. 3D artists will be able to create and develop designs in a way that was never before possible. 3D artists will be able to use their creativity to craft products and designs that are fit for the future and bring a sense of innovation to the industry. And also for architects, photorealistic renders help present their designs to clients and stakeholders in a more immersive and impactful way. I mean, you can model 50 custom kitchens in 3D and make changes very easily before actually building it in real life, which would take weeks or months and cost a lot. You can do the same thing for jewelry companies and furniture companies as well. They can use your models in their marketing, product design, and so many other ways. So the seventh money making idea is product animation for commercials. So this is what I mainly do for a living, and I can tell you all about how I started. First, I worked for about 6 months in an advertising agency and built a really good network of photographers, video editors, colorists, and music producers. And when I started freelancing, the company I worked at sent me freelance work along with some more work I got from the exposure I got from the networking. So when your fellow videographers and video editors need an animation done for their work, they will call you, and vice versa. That way you can help each other out as well. And when you keep doing a good job, people will rehire you, and also they will recommend you to more people. So I believe in a way, it's actually really good to start with a job if you're starting out and want to get into freelancing at some point. The eighth money making idea is collaborate with game developers and make 3D assets for video games. A lot of indie game developers need 3D artists for their projects. You can work with them on a project by project basis as a freelancer. You can also create and sell 3D models, textures, and other assets on platforms such as Unity Asset Store, Unreal Engine Marketplace, or Sketchfab, which would be a passive income for you in the long run. That's of course until AI generated 3D models become a thing. Don't worry, it'll take some time for AI to get that good, I think. Well, we never know. So before the bonus tip, leave a comment below what kind of videos you want me to make next. I'm working on some cool videos, so make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. So the bonus tip is, most of these ideas to work, you need networking connections. So you need to get out there and meet people, which takes a little bit of work, but once you get there, it's gonna be super easy. So that's it for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Bye.